everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Fast Vlog, Bisdak in America. So today I will show you another simple keto recipe, scallop wrapped with bacon, and then I will cook it in an air fryer. So this is my second time trying it. The first time my husband liked it, so let's get started. These are my ingredients: scallops. I already put some black pepper in it, and then bacon. Yeah, the bacon. First we'll air fry the bacon for 3 minutes. Ganyan. Air fry. Time 3 minutes. Temperature doesn't have So we already air fried the bacon for 3 minutes. Yan ang resulta, guys. Yeah. Yan. So next we're going to wrap the scallops with bacon. Like this. We will wrap on the side. Ito na siya, guys. Ilagay na natin siya sa air fryer. Yan ang ating scallops wrapped with bacon. Ang mahal ng scallops, guys. For this, it's $17. Ano lang, ilang piraso lang. 11 pieces lang ang laman ng bag, plastic bag. So, let's put it. Air fry. So, that's 350, that's okay. And then, we'll change the time to 15 minutes. Then start. After 15 minutes, guys, this is the result of my scallop wrap with bacon. See? Mukhang masarap. Let's put it in a plate. Ayan na. Sobrang dali lang guys. At very healthy pa. Time to taste guys. Sarap. At very easy to prepare. Napaka-healthy pa. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoy watching my cooking show. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell button down below for more cooking videos. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.